This is the time of year when we start to crave comfort foods. And in my book, nothing is more comforting than macaroni and cheese. So we decided to take our everyday shortcut mac and cheese and bring it up a notch. What we ended up with is a cheesy weeknight favorite that is uniquely satisfying. We start by cooking the macaroni from a couple of boxes of quick cooking mac and cheese. After it's tender, we drain it, and in the same pot, we add some melted butter, the cheese packs that come in the box, along with some dry mustard. We mix this well and stir in a few beaten eggs along with a good amount of shredded cheddar. And now for the part that you didn't see coming, we toss in some hot dogs that we cut into half-inch pieces. This goes into a loaf pan before we pop it into the oven to set up. And right before it's done, we'll top it with more cheese and back into the oven it goes. When your gang sees how ooey-gooey this hearty, sliceable mac and cheese is, you better stand back. And don't let the fact that this starts with a shortcut mac and cheese kid you, because this is really tasty. To get the recipe for our Loaf Pan Mac and Cheese, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a weeknight favorite way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.